Understanding, sound the same note, a deep dive into English phrases. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, sound the same note. It's a phrase you might come across in various contexts, and understanding its meaning can really enhance your grasp of English nuances. So, let's dive in and uncover the layers behind this expression. To sound the same note means to express the same opinions, feelings, or ideas as someone else. It's like when two people or groups are in agreement and emphasize the same points in a discussion or argument. Imagine two different musical instruments playing the same note in harmony. That's the metaphorical essence behind this phrase. While the exact origin of sound the same note might not be pinpointed, it's clear that the phrase borrows from musical terminology. In music, when two instruments play the same note, they produce a harmonious sound. This concept was metaphorically applied to situations where people express similar thoughts or opinions, creating a harmonious agreement. Now, let's look at how you can incorporate this phrase into your English communication. In agreement. During the meeting, Maria and John sounded the same note on the importance of customer satisfaction. In literature, the two characters in the novel sound the same note when it comes to their views on justice. In speeches or debates, all the speakers sounded the same note of urgency in addressing climate change. Using this phrase can add a layer of sophistication to your English, especially in formal or literary contexts. It's also useful to know some variations that convey a similar meaning. Echo someone's sentiment. On the same page. Sing from the same hymn sheet. While these phrases are not identical in usage, they can be used in similar contexts to indicate agreement or shared viewpoints. I hope this exploration of sound the same note has been enlightening. It's a beautiful phrase that illustrates the harmony of agreement in English expression. Whether you're engaging in deep discussions, writing, or simply enjoying the art of conversation, knowing how to use such phrases can enrich your language skills. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn opens up a world of expression. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to sound the same note as others when you find common ground. Happy learning!